This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you encounter the error required applications are not installed correctly on your Windows system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to re-register the Start menu. This has been explained over a separate video and article, the link to which has been provided in the original article. Basically, we need to run a PowerShell command. The second solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC /scan now and hit Enter to invoke the SFC scan. Reboot the system once the scan is completed. The third solution is to create a new user account. We have to go to Windows Settings, Accounts, Family and Other Users, and then click on Add Account corresponding to the other user. You can then enter new credentials. It will need a little time to show the options. The fourth solution is to perform a system restore. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar. Click on the option for Recovery. In the window that opens, select System Restore from the menu. If it asks for administrator permissions, please click on Continue. The System Restore window should open. Select the restore point and keep Next. Proceed through the System Restore process to revert your system to the date settings. Reboot your system. If everything else fails, you can consider resetting your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.